Today's a good day. Bilisan natin. Crawfish, shrimp and lobster boil. Yan na yung spicy boiling water natin. Merong ano yan, herbs and spices, butter, garlic, onion powder, paprika, salt and pepper. First we put the corn, potatoes, sausages, lobster tails. Muna natin yung mga gulay-gulay. Mushroom. Now we're preparing our shrimps and lobster tail. The shrimps are about the same size of the lobster tail. Dako! Sobra sa dako man. Uy, kumukulo-kulo. Our flavored water is briskly boiling. Pwede na ilagay yan. Now it's time to put the seafoods. Buhay pa, tumatalon. Just to show you a good measure. Yan ang haba niya. Now, we're just gonna wait for it to cook. Probably 10 minutes. Today's a good day. Cooking for my lovely wife. Happy wife, happy life. After 5 minutes, let's check. Almost ready. Whoosha! I think it's ready. It's time to catch some lobsters and shrimp. I'm gonna get my seafoods especial. Look, it has shrimp, lobster, mushroom, potatoes, corn, today's a good day. Cooking for my lovely wife. Whoosha! Smoking hot! Got that, Mickey? Smoking hot? It is smoking, right? You see smoke coming? Let's see. Woo! Looks good. Look at those garlic. Did we get it all? You got them all? No, there's more, see?
That potato?
Yep. Whoosha! Today's a good day! Yaman na, lelot. Maganda. May tigtad pa. Whoosha!
Sandok rice.
Kanin daw.